about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, it's going to show for you like this. You just go down here, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here. Then here you're looking for Toloka app, or just click here on search. So then here add Toloka app. So add Toloka app here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Then you come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click on it here. Then you search here for Toloka app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.